with studying registration number B1A0241115.
And me, I'm Sifa with
So in this video, we are gonna do argumentative text video with title "Should Indonesian University Integrate Artificial Intelligence System into their Educational System?"
In the rapidly evolving digital era, artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a distant concept. It is already reshaping how we live, work, and learn. The central question is not whether AI will be a part of education, but how we shall integrate it to benefit students and educators alike. Will some might fear that AI might disrupt the learning process or encourage academic dishonesty. The potential of this technology to enhance learning outcomes and democratize education is far too significant to ignore. Therefore, we strongly believe that Indonesian universities should embrace AI integration as a vital step toward modernizing their educational system. Problem of AI integration highlight its ability to provide personalized, accessible, and effective learning experience. First, AI tools such as ChatGPT and others educational platforms can help students grasp complex concepts in simpler, more interactive ways. Instead of waiting for one-on-one session, what instructor student can receive instant explanation, alternative approach, or summarize tailored to their individual learning style. This promotes independent learning while supporting those who struggle with conventional teaching methods. Second, AI foster personalized learning. Students no longer need to conform to one-size-fits-all curriculum. With AI, forward tutoring learners can progress at their own pace, review difficult topics multiple times, and receive adaptive feedback, all of which are crucial for improving academic performance and engagement. Moreover, for students who might feel intimidated or hesitant to speak up in class, AI provides a safe, judgment-free environment to ask questions and explore ideas.
Sama aja. Kita ke kampusnya jam berapa? 12.30 ya?
Some argue that it might cause laziness or academic dishonesty. However, this criticism stems more from the lack of proper guidance and from the technology itself. In fact, when integrated responsibly, AI becomes a tool for critical thinking rather than a shortcut. It challenges students to evaluate responses, verify sources, and judge and develop analysis. Instead of banning AI, educators should teach digital literacy and ethical AI use, ensuring students understand both potential and limitation. In conclusion, the integration of AI into Indonesia's higher education system is not just option; it is necessity. Far from undermining learning, AI can empower students, support teachers, and enhance the overall educational experience by combining technological innovation with ethical education. Indonesian universities can prepare their students for a future where AI is not just a tool but a companion in lifelong learning.
The integrations of artificial intelligence, or AI, in Indonesian higher education system is often considered as a progressive step to improve the quality of learning. But however, this approach also brings a number of significant challenges and also the risk. which should be seriously considered before further implementations. First one, the access and infrastructure gap. One of the main challenges is the technology access gap between urban and rural educational institutions. Many universities in remote areas face infrastructure limitations, such as unstable internet connections and lack of adequate hardware. This can worsen educational inequality and also create the inequality in learning quality. Second, data privacy and also security risk. The use of AI in education requires the collections and analysis of a large amount of student personal data. Without strict regulations and reliable security system, there is a risk of data leakage and misuse of personal information, which can harm students and educational institutions. Third, decline in critical thinking ability. Dependence on AI in the learning process can reduce the ability of students to think critically and independently. Studies show that excessive use of AI can cause a crisis in critical thinking skill among students because they tend to rely on technology to complete tasks without understanding the concept in depth. Fourth, ethical challenge and plagiarism. AI can facilitate plagiarism and violations of academic ethics. Students may use AI to produce written work without a real understanding, which damage academic integrity and authentic learning process. Fifth, threats to the role of lecturers. Uncontrolled AI integrations can threaten the role of lecturers as educators and also the mentors. Although AI can help in the administrative aspect, but human interaction is still very important in the educational process to build relationship, empathy, and also the student character development. So my conclusion is that although AI offers the potential to increase efficiency in higher education, the challenge and risk associated cannot be ignored. Before integrating AI widely, it is necessary to conduct a thorough evaluations of the infrastructure readiness, regulations, and also the social impact. Higher education must still place humans as the center of the learning process with AI as a tool, not a substitute.